Very good afternoon, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I show you the live demonstration of how to use our MST iCore 2.0 advanced trading system indicator or the tool. So when the market has opened, you either keep in 1 minute or 3 minutes, any time frame you can keep up to 15 minutes. Now assume that market has opened here. Market has opened here. And we have added our indicator. Okay, by default settings we have added. Now our lines will get formed. Yeah, it is already formed. So now when the market comes to this line, that is 34,700, we will buy, and if it goes to 35,075 first, we will sell. This 35,000, this level was the yesterday sell, so today it has acted as the resistance. See here, now our buy got activated. So next thing what you have to do, we have to wait for the target. So go here and enable first buy targets and remove first sell, second buy, and you can keep second sell and second sell entry. Why I am keeping second sell and second entry? Because we don't know about the market. If market is not giving the first target, then we have to go for the second sell if SL hit. Okay, so that is why. But fortunately we have got the target achieved immediately. See here, our target within 15 minutes candle we got the target. So by exactly buy activated here, immediately target hit. That's all. If SL hit, what we will be doing here, we will be taking 2 lot for the target of this one, 34,389. So hope it is clear. Now I will replay once again. So now where the market is going, whether can we get the second target or not, we will see. Now once the first target is achieved, now we have to compulsorily remove the stop loss to keep the stop loss to cost. Suppose if you have taken 3 lot, keep your stop loss here, book the first lot at the first target, book the second lot at the second target, and book the third lot at the third target. But once first target is achieved, your stop loss should be cost to cost. Once second target is achieved, stop loss should be first target. Once second target is achieved, your stop loss should be second target. So this is how you have to keep trailing your stop loss. Don't forget. So I will show you yesterday's for performance also. Yesterday what happened, I show you. I will keep it default time frame for bank nifty, we are keeping 360. So yesterday what happened, see yesterday first buy got activated and then we got all targets in the buy, again sell got activated, again we got all targets in the sell also. So from here to here and from here to here we got the targets. So it is very simple and it is working more accurately, and we have mentioned in the disclaimer that we are not SEBI registered. We are giving this only for an educational purpose, whatever we are doing, and we are sharing with the people. Since we are carrying the people, we are sharing, and we are giving advanced option training course, price action based training course, everything. Whoever wants to get trained, they can contact us at the given number. Thank you all for watching us. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe and encourage all your friends to subscribe and subscribe to indicator also. Thank you all.